Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Our today's topic is Table of Contents. As you can see on your laptop screen and understood what is this. This is Table of Content and you can see it on every book. Before the start of chapters, there is always a table of content. Today, we will learn how to create this table of content in MS Word. This is the definition of table of content. A table of contents is a list usually found on a page before the start of a written work of its chapter or section titles or brief discussions with their commencing page number. It is also abbreviated as TOC, means table of content. A list of titles of the part of a book or document organized in the order in which the parts appear. Let's understand with one example. I had written some text here. Now, what I am doing here, I have written this heading, operating system. What I should do now, in the styles group, go to heading 1. I have already changed the headings by right clicking on the heading and click on modify. I have done red color and size is 20. You can change the size. You can change the writing style also and click on OK. This is the heading 1 and in the same way I change the heading. I have changed the heading this also. Type of operating system, I have also changed the heading to heading 1. Now quickly I change these headings to heading 2. Introduction, heading 2, I have taken blue color. You can change of your need. Click on heading 2. This I have also changed heading 2. Processor management heading 2. Device management heading 2. Quickly I have changed heading 1 and heading 2. Now heading 1 and heading 2 has been changed completely. What you have to do is click your cursor before the heading 1 of your first page. Go to reference, click on table of content. A window will open. This is the automatic table 1 and this is the automatic table 2. You can take whatever you want. I have selected automatic table 2. Now you can see this table of contents has automatically created. Operating system, this is the heading 1. It is on page number 2. Introduction and need of an operating system. I have taken these two headings as heading 2. Functions of an operating system, I have taken heading 1. This is the main heading and these are the subheadings. As you can see, a page number has also come. Now, what you have to do is, if I had changed the page number, like it is on page number 2, if I had changed the page number, next page, if I had the change number and the table of contents will automatically change. How will it change page number? Click on table of content. There is a button update table. Click on it. It shows update page number only, update entire table. If I had click on update entire table, click OK. Now you can see operating system was before in page number 2. Now it shows in page number 4. and automatically all the page numbers has been changed. If I will change this operating system or this heading also, need of an operating system, if I will change this to conclusion, it should automatically change in the table of contents. How will it change? Click on the table and update entire table. OK. You can see here conclusion has changed. Once you have created table of content, it will automatically change the page number and the introduction part also. How to, if you want to go to this process management, just press the control button and click the mouse. The cursor automatically goes to process management topic. I'll show you again. If you want to read this types of operating system single user, now click on control button and click on mouse button. It automatically goes, your cursor automatically goes to the single user of the page. You can create this table of contents by yourself also. How you can do it? Go to reference, click on table of contents. There is a manual table. You can see a manual table has created. Type chapter title. Our title is operating system. Type chapter title level 2. Introduction. And if there is any subheading, I had written need of an operating system. You can take how many headings you can take. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. It means how many subheadings of your chapter have. Now you have to change this page number by yourself also. Change this page number. You have to change this page number manually because you have taken this manually. Do the practice of this table of content. Let's revise the definition of table of contents again. A table of contents is a list usually found on a page before the start of a written work of its chapter or section titles or brief descriptions with their commencing page number. It is abbreviated as TOC, or you can say a list of titles of the part of a book or document organized in the order in which the parts appear. Thank you.